Alright, Dropshipping gang, welcome to day 34 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, we're currently at 7,795 active listings on our account. We have been pruning and adding in listings as I've always mentioned it. So let's go to our orders and check out. I think we had around 10 sales that came in today. One of them was the price is higher on Amazon. So we got 5.32 plus the $20, 38.60, which we didn't ship because the price was higher. The next one is 45.60, followed by 44.60, 27.60, 24.60 plus the $20, 21.60 plus the $20, 18.40, 52.60 plus the $20, and the rest came in the next day. All right, let's go to our performance check and check our traffic. We are currently at 9.9 million impressions, followed by 12,341 listing views. We have around 148 sales that came in today, minus the 8 that came in the next day from 156. So 0.1% click-through rate, followed by 1.3% conversion rate. As you can see that the conversion rate is raising when we are pruning. Okay, let's go to our listing views and check out our listing. All right, we are currently around 700 something-ish listing views today, and we are at 10 sales, 3 of them came from organic, while the other 7 came from promoted. Everything is looking good. We are following our system as usual. We systemize it. We list a bunch of items from Amazon onto our eBay store, see what sticks. The ones that don't sell, we remove them. The ones that we keep, that we call winners, even though I don't like that terminology because of how saturated it has been in terms of people using it. So when I mention winners, I mean the items that are selling, okay? And the rest of the items will be going out. So we're currently at 38 positive feedback, 100% positive feedback. So once again, we are running an eBay store, but you got to remember that we have a systemized techniques and systems that we are using every single day to keep the account growth. Okay, imagine if we're getting all negative feedback, eBay is going to jump in and realize that they're going to make sure that we would have gotten less sales in comparison to what we were getting now. So now in the eyes of the eBay, they can see that we're doing our best. We're trying to improve our conversion rate. We're trying to improve our click-through rate. We are increasing our sales every day. We are being reliable. We're providing tracking numbers. We're providing the best customer service that you can think of. That's what I prize myself with. So guys, remember, it's not only running the eBay account, but you got to have the right systems in place in order for you to continue getting the same amount of sales that you would have gotten. I hear a lot of questions from my students as well as the people that are reaching out to me personally. They're asking about why they were getting less sales every single day because they don't have a system that's in place that's suitable for their stores. Now, I can give you guys a general advice through making videos here. However, it's never going to be the same as me going in and evaluating your account, checking it one by one and giving you a personal feedback every single week where I critique your store and look at what the things that you're doing right and look at the things that you're doing wrong and give you a feedback on both of them so then you can keep improving. That's basically how you need to grow, because if you don't know what you're doing right and if you don't know what you're doing wrong, you're basically going to end up in the same cycle trying to figure out what's going on and eventually feel frustrated and leave it. Most people that try to DIY it end up actually quitting. I hope that drives the message home. So that is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and take care of yourself.